Right, okay, we're just going to do a quick fabric collage. So I'm just going to talk you through this quickly. First of all, just need some plain fabric. You'll need some bits of scraps of other coloured fabric, pencil, a little bit of glue. Okay, so draw your design onto your plain fabric. You can use an old curtain. This is just an old curtain I've got, or tablecloth. Okay, the scraps of fabric, can you see I've got lots of, I've got a whole, you can probably buy these online if you haven't got them, but I've got loads of different scraps of fabric, and the idea is that you need to snip them into smallish pieces. So these are about a centimetre by sort of a couple of centimetres. You can do little rectangles or squares, and then using, so this is fabric glue, but any glue really. I mean, Pritt stick would work, but you could also use PVA glue. You just want to put your design. So I'm doing a rainbow. You could do anything you want, hearts, just like a simple, fairly simple, not too complex. Okay, so stick those down. So I've got a, here's one I made earlier thing. So can you see, I stuck lots of different fabrics down to create a design. Doesn't matter if you haven't got matching fabrics, that's all fine. Okay, and then the idea is what we're going to do is sew over them with a sewing machine, and then I'm going to show you quickly how you can add text using either hand sewing or machine sewing. Right, so I've threaded up. I've got a load of threads that obviously are kind of in keeping with the colours in my design, but if you don't have like a whole load of threads, then you could just use like one thread to kind of sew all over it. So I'm going to set my machine onto a wide zigzag, so wide in length and sort of like a, I mean, you can play around with the stitch width and length, and then basically, if I had it on the right stitch, I'm going to just sew over. So can you see I've just sewn over the red, and then I'd go over the orange, etc, etc. So this is kind of where I'd end up. Okay, so you can see red stitching, orange, yellow. If you haven't got loads of fabrics or threads, then just limit your colour palette. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to write. So I'm going to put this, mount this in a little frame, and I'm going to send it to a friend of mine who's actually an intensive care nurse. So I'm going to send her this as a little, just a nice little thing. So I'm going to use a dark thread. If you haven't got a sewing machine for this bit, you could just do some hand stitching. Right, so if you have a sewing machine, I've got this foot, which is a darning foot, or I just call it embroidery foot, and you need to be able to drop your feed down. So drop that down, set your machine to a straight stitch. Now I'm pretty confident in doing this, but you might want to write in pencil very lightly what you want to write, but I am going to just go for it. So just move that end thread out of the way. So in my best joined up handwriting, Just going to leave a space. I'll snip these bits off. Do my eye, dot my eye. So obviously you could do this in hand stitching, or you could do it even just in, let me just snip these things off, or you could just do it in like a pen, like a Sharpie pen would work really well, like a, sort of some kind of permanent marker. The other idea that I'm hoping to do with this is I'm going to do like a rainbow cushion. Obviously I can, so there you go, somewhere over the rainbow. I'm going to send that to a friend of mine.